Hey everyone, is your computer running out of storage space? Instead of guessing what to delete, TreeSize Free helps you quickly identify the biggest files and folders so you can free up disk space safely. In this complete guide, I'll show you the entire process from scanning your drive to cleaning up unnecessary files. So let's get started. First, launch TreeSize Free from the Windows Start menu or your desktop. If you're scanning your Windows system drive, right-click the application and choose Run as administrator. This gives TreeSize Free permission to analyze protected folders and provides a more complete storage report. Once TreeSize Free opens, click Select Directory and choose the drive you want to analyze. Most users begin with the C drive, although you can also scan external drives or individual folders. The scan starts automatically and may take a few moments to complete. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free sorts folders by size. The largest folders appear near the top, making them easy to identify. Expand those folders to locate large downloads, videos, installers, backups, or other personal files that are using significant storage. Before deleting anything, review each file carefully. I mean only remove files that you recognize and no longer need. Avoid deleting Windows system folders, application files, or anything you're unsure about, since doing so could affect your computer's stability. Now delete unnecessary files using File Explorer, or move important files to another internal drive, an external drive, or cloud storage if you still want to keep them. Moving large videos and backups is often one of the fastest ways to free up a significant amount of disk space. Finally, return to TreeSize Free and scan the drive again. Compare the updated results to confirm that you've successfully recovered storage space. Regularly checking your disk usage makes it much easier to keep your computer organized and prevent storage problems in the future. And that's how to free up disk space with TreeSize Free. By finding the largest files first and cleaning up only what you no longer need, you can safely reclaim valuable storage without the guesswork. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.